So good morning. Today we're going to install the Bluetooth module for diagnostics. This is for the Parsun F40 through F130. First thing I have to do is find out where the diagnostics port is. And this should be it. This is it right here. So I'll have to remove this cap and get the module out. Oh, let's open this up and see what we got here. Nice little package that came in. And that's the module. So we'll just have to plug it in now. So I should just be able to push this little lever on here. Pop the cap off. And plug this in. Got it all plugged in. So what you're going to do is go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Parsun. This will be the Parsun Smart app. And of course I've already installed it. But you can go there and click on it and install. Okay, scan for device, and looks like it came up. Connect. And we're connected. So, click that button. This will read all your speeds, maximum RPMs, or maximum speed, average speeds, altitude. And this is all your sensors as monitors. And let's see. We can do a rescan. And no DTCs found. You can clear them. But yeah, pretty good little app. I'll crank this off later and show how it's. Now we connected up to the Bluetooth module and crank it up. And now we can monitor all the parameters. Coolant temperature, the battery charging, everything on it. Real-time data. Of course, there's no DC code I can rescan, and it's not going to find any codes. But it's a brand new motor, shouldn't have any. Motor's so quiet. Well, catch you on the next video.